Hi, Angie.
Hi.
So I haven't prepared anything for today Web3j contributors call because I was kind of busy. I thought that I will cancel the call, but I joined in the last minute. If you have anything that you're interested in or any points to talk about, just please go on.
Uh, I am actually not home. The last I heard from Alston was that everything was good for the PR. I spoke to Julius. He said everything looked good. So at this point, I'm under the impression we're just waiting for Maven issue to be resolved, and
Yep,
then that
yep.
PR will be pushed. Is that right?
Yeah, that's correct. And last at the end of last week, I managed to solve that Maven issue. So I'm looking to merge. I looked forward to merge the PR until Friday. So I think it will be tomorrow.
Okay, that's fine. Julius said once it's merged that he will go in and try attempting to use it. Other
Okay.
than that, I just went ahead and started looking for new issues. So nothing new from me yet.
Okay, great then. Anyway, right now I'm looking for to assign new issues to the mentees. So if I find anything that might work for you, I will send it over to you.
Okay, that's fine. In the meantime, I'll just look over, see what I can find.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Of course. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.
Okay, thank you. You too.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.